Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the 5 regions of Virginia, and we're going to start with the first region, the Coastal Plain. So this is the Coastal Plain region. It is the easternmost region in Virginia, and this is the region that we live in. We talked about last week the 4 major rivers. We're going to review those real quick. The most northern river is the Potomac. It is the border between Maryland, which is up here, and Virginia. The next region is the Rappahannock River. On the Rappahannock is the city of Fredericksburg. The next river is the York River. It is the smallest river that we have, and on the York River is Yorktown. Then finally we have the James River, and on the James River we have 2 cities, Richmond, which is where this star is, and Jamestown. Now Richmond is close to us, but it is actually in the Piedmont region, and it is on this line right here that is called the fall line. And the fall line is what separates the Coastal Plain region and the Piedmont region. The fall line is very important to us because on the fall line prevents further travel going west by boat. The fall line is a series of waterfalls, so if you're in a boat, you can't very well get past a waterfall, or you will crash and it will not be good. Important things to know about the Coastal Plain region. It has flat land, and it has got many rivers, obviously our 4 big ones right here. And we always, when we talk about relative location, it borders the Piedmont region, but it is east of the fall line. With the state of Virginia, it's a big triangle. We also have this little piece over here called the Eastern Shore. The Eastern Shore is part of the Coastal Plain region, so don't forget about the Eastern Shore. Now, we call the big triangle right here the mainland of Virginia. In between the Eastern Shore and the mainland of Virginia is the Chesapeake Bay. This is what we talked about as a safe harbor for ships, and it's also the source of a lot of food for people that live on the coastline over here and in the Eastern Shore. On the east side of the Eastern Shore is the Atlantic Ocean. That's what we talked about as a major trade route and transportation route for people that live in Virginia, especially in the Coastal Plain region. So, this is the Coastal Plain region. It is our first region of Virginia.